Goyal Brothers Prakashan is pleased to present Core Science Lab Manual with Practical Skills Class 9 has been designed in accordance with the latest CBSE syllabus to provide students with a structured and systematic approach to laboratory work in science. This lab manual bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-life application through well-organized and student-friendly experiments. Each experiment is carefully designed to promote scientific thinking, observation skills, and proper record maintenance, ensuring students gain confidence in handling laboratory work independently. Salient features of the book. Based on the latest CBSE syllabus for Class 9 Science Practicals. Covers a wide range of physics, chemistry, and biology experiments in a structured format. Each experiment is supported with clear explanation of basic scientific concepts. Instructions for procedures in simple and easy language have been given for better understanding. Complete list of apparatus, chemicals, and materials have been clearly mentioned for smooth preparation. Special emphasis has been laid on neat, well-labeled diagrams and experimental setups. Detailed observations, sample calculations, results, and conclusions for accurate record writing. Precautions and sources of error are provided for safety and accuracy. Each experiment includes Viva-Voce questions and practical-based questions with answers. QR codes are provided for animated experiment videos for interactive learning. Includes suggestions for teachers to modify the experiments if there is a need to do so for flexible teaching. This book inspires students to develop a strong scientific temperament and a habit of learning through observation and experimentation.